This 2026 Grand Design Foundation 42GD is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Santee, California, 90271 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Santee. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 48 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 83 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.